Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. This is Friday Night Gab. I'm trying to get Smudge up here, and then he finally did come up just as I'm like, well, I'll just film without you, and then he popped up. I don't know how long he'll stay, y'all. But this is my Friday Night Gab, and I just wanted to see how y'all were doing this evening. I hope you've had a good week. It's been very strange weather. I think it's been that way everywhere, really, because it's like spring was coming, and then the last couple of days have been really cold. Not super duper cold, but cold, below freezing at night, and stuff like that. We probably are in this time of year, we maybe should be in the 40s and 50s ish, and we were that way, and then now it's been a lot colder. So, well, high 30s, low 40s. So maybe, but it seems like winter's coming back. I wonder what's going to happen February 2nd, Groundhog's Day. We'll see what the groundhog decides, because I think he's always wrong. But anyway, if it's too early spring here, then we have a lot of tornadoes, and there's been a lot. And this is not tornado season, so it's not nice, But anyway, and I know up north, y'all, a lot of y'all are having snow and stuff like that. So I hope that everybody is safe and doing well, no matter what kind of weather you have. And I am wearing the earrings that I got in my Goldie box. Aren't they pretty? I just really like them. So I put on some fun eye makeup as well to go with them. And I wanted to show y'all the ones that I got from my friend who has a store. And she had some necklaces and some bracelets and some earrings, and she asked me to pick out a few things, and I don't need any. I don't need a lot of things. They were all beautiful, but I didn't want to pick a lot of things. I just didn't want to. So I picked these, and I've been wearing them. I've worn them a lot on camera already. This is the same brand as this. I just thought it was so funny. And here they are. These have a wood tone to them, and they have a bit of burgundy in them. So just beautiful. So that is more of the natural nut shell color, whereas these are dyed. So they said that they all natural dye. So they're just beautiful, and they're so lightweight, and they feel so good. They feel good. So I want to show you all that. And let's see what else I want to talk to you about. When I got my Goldie box, well, this is probably too much information, but it took forever to load. I've been having some loading problems with YouTube. I wonder if anybody else is having that. Doing a little bit better now. I have trouble from time to time, so I just wonder if anybody was having trouble with that. And my mouth is bothering me, y'all. It's making it difficult to speak. I feel like I've got, this big whatever going on. I don't think I'm swollen. It's not my teeth. I am missing, or I shouldn't say missing, I have it in a little Ziploc bag. A crown fell out. It's different than just a regular crown. It was a special kind of thing that the dentist made for me. It's a long story, so I won't go into it, but it fell out, and it's near where the new crown is. And so I was just gingerly trying to eat and things like that, and it's difficult to always eat on the one side and whatever. I think something went over that way, and out it came. So I have to get that seen about, which I have an appointment. But in the meantime, there's a big hole in the side of my mouth, and I don't know if I bit my tongue or what I did, but my tongue is really badly swollen at that spot. I'm sure I bit my tongue. I do it. I know I have, but my tongue is really sore. Like it's got I don't know what you call it. Like it's more than just getting bit. There's like a sore on it, and like a pimple on it. And I've had those before on my tongue, and then it take a day or two and they go away. Well, this one's I've had for like 2 days, and I don't like it. It's very uncomfortable, and it just feels uncomfortable, and it's hard to eat and whatever else. That's okay. I can lose a little bit, so I can afford to lose a little bit. And I really don't have all that much, really. Just waiting, trying to wait patiently to have my house worked on. It's not easy to find people to do what they consider minor work. So it's taking a little time. And also just with all the bad weather we've having, there's people with worse problems than me. So I did want to see, when I go to swallow, my tongue, yeah, it's just not right. So anyway, but I'm fine. Don't worry about me. It's not really painful. It's just like obvious. Like I feel like I have, you know, like maybe an old-fashioned jawbreaker that's sitting in my mouth and I can't, you know, I have to move it around to talk and stuff like that. So I wanted to tell you all about my giveaways that are going on right now. And if you haven't seen them, I am doing a Mask Monday with Alma Tyser. And that is, I'm picking the winner for that on Sunday afternoon. So go see that and go see Alma. She's also doing a giveaway. We're doing some sheet mask giveaway. And I think it was Alma's first Mask Monday. I mean, I shouldn't say, I think it was her first Mask Monday. So she was very gracious to join me. So I was very happy about that. And she's just a really good lady. Y'all will like her channel. She's just a sweetheart. She does great hauls. And she does she's very creative. She does some crafty things. And she does that diamond painting. You know, I don't know that I have the patience for that, but I sure know that my cats would not allow me to do something like that. Those things would be all over the house if I left them out accidentally. Those they're little tiny things. They're beautiful. They're beautiful pictures. What comes out of it. And also, I have a couple of other giveaways going on. I have a giveaway that I'm supposed to tell you all about who won tonight. 2 weeks ago, when I did a live, I said if you were in there to come back and comment in the regular portion of the comments, and you would be entered into a giveaway. I didn't show you all anything. I just said it would be a small mystery giveaway. So that's what it is. And the winner is, I wrote her name down. Hang on. The winner is Dawn Lindau. So Dawn, you are the winner. So I'll send you some little things, some cute things. So say hello. I hope you'll comment on this video, Lynn. I mean Dawn Lindau, not Lynn. Dawn Lindau. Comment on this video and let me know. Well, I think I know I have your address. I'm pretty sure I know you've won before. So let me know you've seen it, and if y'all wouldn't mind congratulating the winner here. And I also have my Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle battle going on, and yeah, I recently got a few more bundles that I've put away, so we'll have some future battles as well. And then I have my treasure trove, continuing treasure trove, which I think that's coming due on the 8th or something like that. I can't remember the date, but anyway, go see that. Now that is, you pick 1, 2, or 3, and I also have try to extend some of how much fun we have with the advent calendars by putting bonuses in different videos. So I have a few bonuses out there, and if you have seen the bonuses and if I pick your name and you win and you choose and you tell me what the bonuses are, you get to win those as well. If you only know one bonus, you can win that one bonus. If you know all the bonuses, you can win all the bonuses. If you don't know any bonuses, don't worry, you still win the treasure trove. If your name is picked for the treasure trove, okay? So I don't want anybody to worry about, I didn't get to see any of the bonuses or anything. It's just an encouragement for y'all to watch my channel. I am just really pleased to be here, and I love that y'all like to watch me, and I want to thank you for it. So, you know, that's what our giveaways are. I just wanted to remind y'all that a lot of channels do giveaways, and a lot of channels do a lot of giveaways. And why we do the giveaways is to thank you for being here. That is the reason we do giveaways. Sometimes people just pop in and enter a giveaway, and then we never see them again. I've had people win and I've never seen them again. So I would appreciate it if you win a giveaway that you would stick around some. I would appreciate it. I hope that you enjoy my channel. I enjoy my channel a lot, but of course it's me, you know, you're having to watch me. So but anyway, I'm just so glad y'all are here. And I think that's about it really. I did not have a lot. I had some notes and I didn't have a lot. I did want to tell you, if you all, I have a video going up tomorrow morning about the Nashari app. I don't know how to say it, but Nashari, it's an app for an iPhone and iPod, any kind of Apple product. You can have it on there. Maybe even, they're new. I did not know that they were new. They just started in November. I've talked back and forth with them a little bit. And they are having some glitches in the app, but they're there. And they're happy to talk to you and fix things for you. So in the app, there's a place you can comment, and you can also DM them on Instagram, and they will get back to you. So hang in there with them. They said give them a little time. Like the boxes that you can get for for telling them what you like and what you don't like, they are getting low on, and they're getting new ones in. They're getting new product in. So they'll have those refilled soon if you have gotten to the point where you can't get any more boxes, which has happened to me. They've got some more coming, and it is just a lot of fun because you get free stuff. Who doesn't like that? It's free. It's all snacks. It's all snacks, drinks, and snacks. And most of them, I think everything I've gotten so far is pretty healthy stuff. And everything I've had everything I've had so far is pretty tasty. So anyway, y'all. That is that, I think, and Smudge went over there, and I'm cold. I'm gonna go put a sweater on or something, and I hope that y'all are warm where you're at, and safe. I hope y'all are warm and safe, and thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings, and good to see y'all. Take care. Bye.